Welcome to the CryptoNest. So another week passed and let's see how it goes. So I was saying this could be a wave 1 and this could be a wave 2. Be careful because we did wick momentarily below the 0.886 and I think I was mentioning these targets now last week. I was counting, I believe this is a way A, B, and a C. Do I have that? Yes, A, yeah, right. So 1-to-1 ratio. I don't know why I didn't label. Let me do it now. A, B, and C. Well, I guess I'm going to put that in light blue. Okay, so first target kind of complete now. Ideally, we would go a little bit higher and really reach the 1-to-1 ratio. It's not necessary, but ideally we would go to that level. Let me just move around the... Here we go. So pretty much that. Just want to go on the 4 hours now, have a more detailed slope. It's a kind of a nice movement here, and I would say now maybe I can put a trend line. It's going to be a weak one because it only have 2 touching points, but definitely if this trend is broken, then we are going to start to make a bigger correction, I believe. Also, wanna check the VRVP for this little guy. Not sure here why it's dark, but so you can see we are exactly one of a level where Sui has been traded the most, and this was the top, was the smaller. I know we cannot see well. I don't know why though, honestly. Let's see if I refresh a little bit. No, not really. Anyway, so this is what it is, and yeah, so if price managed to go higher, you can see that there would be less and less resistance and price could really skyrocket. But I don't think so, because I think this we can call that now a wave 1 almost completed, and then I'm expecting for a wave 2 and then 3, 4, 5, and if price top about here, then we can expect a pullback, and then maybe it would be a nice timing to scale back in. So this is Sui. Actually, Sui, I did accumulate some below $1, so I'm very happy now. And then yeah, now I'm going to check carefully. The other thing I want to mention is, let me take out VP now because it's a little bit in the way. All right, so we are having a side movement, I would say. Let me go and check on the 4 hours what's the RSI. So RSI is resetting, and which is good. The stock RSI already it's reset. I believe, honestly, price can really push a little bit higher now, and to be more bullish. What happens if really price really start to skyrocket, and then there is a case that maybe I can call this as a 1, this a 2, and then we're going to make a 3, a 4, and a 5. Now, obviously, I need to change the color, otherwise it's going to be misleading. Okay, so I do have that case now, but this third wave really need to kick in and prove that it can do something major. The only problem is, actually, let me go back on the RSIs. You can see that the RSI already topped. So this is why I'm. This is a level of where an RSI should reach for the third wave. That's my problem now. And where did I put the 3 now? Definitely a little bit too higher, but so 1, 2, 1 point. Where are you? Where are you? I don't know why my chart are not there. Seriously? Let me go and take left, diagonal left. So maybe I can add that one. Remove these little guys. Yeah, no, actually, and dark blue. That I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to put this one dark blue. Okay, so now for the light blue count, 1-to-1 ratio is the ideal target, or can go up to the 1.236. But then if we start to get to the 1.38 or even better 1.618, then I'm going to switch counts, and I'm going to say, okay, now this starts to be more for the darker blue counts waves. Since last time, I think price it did indeed reach the targets that I mentioned before. So you should be able to be 27% up. Are we going to make another push higher and reach that level? I don't know, but it's looking good once again. Until we don't break this momentum line, I believe price still have a chance to go higher. Let me just check here if on a shorter time frame, yeah, honestly, I cannot do better than that, because yeah, it's actually now just for fun, I just want to see the movement here. Yeah, we're going to need a lot of, if I do a trend like that, it doesn't make sense, honestly, because we are so far, right? In a way. But on the other way, when you do something like that, you must, or you should start to realize that price went higher, and you can see that it's very far from this line, right? But when it happens, you don't know, because this line is not drawn yet. And now it goes like so, and then price start to kick off again, and then this line, now we can draw it. So now we should realize that buying here, we are far from this line, and no matter how and when, but I can tell you that price eventually it's going to reach near this trend again. Now, is it going to touch it or just stop here? But definitely this is too far, and this should give you a cue that too far from an uptrend, it's not a good strategy, because you're paying too much, and you should wait for price to come to you. And yeah, so either it goes downside, or if it goes on the side, even better, because it means, well, first of all, it's accumulating, so it's kind of a sign of strength, and it's going on the side. So either ways, try to think about those things combined on the fib extension and potential, and structure of the waves and stuff like that. All right, so this is pretty much all for Sui. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.